back to Surat, Surat by night, a lot of Indian flags. I don't know yet what is the meaning, so I have tried to know. Hope you are all fine. I had a smooth flight, and I have been meditating a lot and writing different notes. Okay, see you soon in our programs, and drop a comment, drop a word, so I show you a little bit how does the road from the airport looks by night quite quickly. Happy to be here. Diamond City, don't forget Diamond City. And
City of India.
Diamond City of India, and we have with us diamond people. So if you want diamond,
World's
please
most popular
tell
city.
us the most popular city. Lakshmiji city. It's the city of Lakshmi because it's abundance. It's abundance. And Rajkot is gold city, right?
Yes.
And Rajkot is the city of gold. So very happy to know this. See you. Have a nice evening. Have a nice day. Take a good day.